Hello guys, welcome to Easy Apply. In this video, we will discuss about the job opening from Couchbase and Qualys and Sumo Logic. So these three companies are hiring for engineering background and graduate student for software engineer and some other job role. So let's start with the Couchbase software engineer. Actually, Couchbase is looking for software engineer, Bangalore location, and qualification is required. Qualification is you have experience in product development, SaaS, cloud, managed software development, or open source software engineering. Experience, prefer experience with package downloadable software. You would like to uh, go and you can hack in C++ as well. So you, if you think distributed system problem and concurrent multi-threaded programming language and data structure are cool. So these are the qualification that Couchbase is required. Actually अगर आपने क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग पढ़ी होगी तो आपको सैस और फिर इनके बारे में नॉलेज होगी और ये सारी एक्सपीरियंस है. अगर आपको इन लैंग्वेजेस की अच्छी नॉलेज है, गो एंड C++, सो ये जॉब आपके लिए है तो आप इसके लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. एंड इफ़ यू हैव द नॉलेज ऑफ डेटा स्ट्रक्चर and that will be a very cool to you and a big plus to you. And the educational qualification is BTech, MEM Tech with strong computer science fundamental. You are self-motivated, independent, and high performance individual. You learn quickly and enjoy worthy challenge. Quick learner is welcome, and if you are a good communicator and excellent team player, this is very great for your future. So these are the responsibility, like create the word based distribution software infrastructure and best database as a service, DBAS, including serverless database as a service, which companies will rely on for mission critical OLTP needs. And design and implement needle mover feature with simplicity and be agile. And good to have you might even have some real world functional programming experiences. Let's move for the next job opening, that is for software development engineer in test, and the location will be Noida, Uttar Pradesh. So here is the requirement. The requirement is bachelor and master degree in computer science or information technology, experience with continuous integration or continuous deployment, a plus. Experience with object oriented languages, for example in Java, Python, Scala, Ruby, or C#. Experience in working with Unix, Windows operating system, familiar with QA process, passion for testing with a break it mentality. And the desired qualification is experience with testing large scale systems, 0 to 2 years of work experience, experience in big data, and 24/7 commercial service is highly desirable. You should be happy working with Unix, Linux operating systems. Agile software development experience, test driven development, iterative and incremental development is a plus. And in this job you have to be knowledgeable of SAS also. Let's move for Qualys career, and it's looking for technical support engineer, security application. So here is the requirement: 0 to 1 year of experience in technical support and in depth of TCP/IP understanding, LAN WAN infrastructure, common operating system, IIS, Bind, Apache, AD, and Windows, Samba, SSH. Strong knowledge of current firewall and detect system technologies, networking, and scanners. Outstanding troubleshooting and analytical skills, excellent written and verbal skill will be a plus. Bachelor of Science, preferably with major in computer science or equivalent experience. Here is the preferred qualification, and the preferred qualification is experience with packet capture, review, and diagnosis, previous API support and regex knowledge, scripting experience, Bash or Python, knowledge of major web server software, IIS, Apache, WebSphere, Tomcat, and WebLogic, Unix, Windows, web services, and diverse platform and application, Linux, Windows 2003, 8, and Windows NT, Novel, Lotus, Node, and Mac or operating system. Okay, and Oracle and Microsoft SQL language highly desirable. So these are the requirement for this job. You can apply for this job. I will put the apply link into the description box, and stay connected with Easy Apply to get regular update about off-campus hiring and other off-campus placement stuffs. So good luck guys.